Picture a baker scooping flour into a bowl. Ever wondered why recipes work every single time? Today you will learn what ratios are, how to convert any recipe size, and how to apply proportions while baking. A ratio simply compares one amount to another. 1 cup flour to 2 cups water keeps the same balance whether you make a small cake or a huge one. We write that ratio as 1 to 2. Say your pancake mix serves 2 but you need 5. First list the original amounts. 1 cup flour, half cup milk, 1 egg. To scale, divide the new serving count by the old. 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. Multiply every ingredient by 2.5. 2.5 cups flour, 1.25 cups milk, 2.5 eggs. Bread dough works the same way. A small loaf uses 3 cups flour and 1 cup water. For a double-size loaf, multiply both numbers by 2, 6 cups flour, 2 cups water. The dough ball on screen shows the exact same shape, just bigger, because the ratio stayed constant. Quick tip: doubling means multiply every amount by 2. Halving means divide every amount by 2. Use a second bowl to check you scaled everything before mixing. Ratios define how ingredients relate, and scaling multiplies every part by the same factor. Grab your favorite recipe, pick a new serving size, and let proportions do the math for you. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.